Welcome to another new video. This is a continuation of when I gathered all the sap. Now I'm boiling it down. As you can see, it's boiling really nice. I put like 15 gallons in here already. It's been boiling down. Obviously this can only hold maybe about 5 gallons, but I've been adding and adding. So I got another 5 gallons there, and I got another 20 gallons in the garage with a cover on it. So I've been boiling for a couple of days now, on and off. And yeah, it smells really good. It smells like maple syrup. And I just got to make sure I'm not going to drop this camera in there. That would be not very good, so I'm holding on to it very well. So yeah, zoomed in on a little bit there. And I know there's a lot of ways of boiling it down. This is best the way I have right now. Maybe further down the line I can use wood and stuff like that, but this is easy for me to do because I got so many other things going on. So alright, I will add some more videos to this collection, and we'll see the final product pretty soon. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like and share. I would appreciate it. So we'll see you later. Thanks. Bye. Hello. Here's an update on the maple syrup I was making. Unfortunately, I had a family emergency as I was preparing to boil this down. As you can see, it does not look good at all. The film and slime and whatever, even this one, if you can see it right there, is like mold. Unfortunately, my dad ended up in the hospital, in and out of the hospital at times, and I couldn't come back here to reboil this down and get it ready. The other thing too was weather. It was warm some days and it was cold, warm and cold. And during that time, family comes first. Yesterday my dad was put on hospice. Doesn't know how long he's going to be around, and so that's more important than worrying about this maple syrup. So I'm not going to chance it. I'm not going to chance this. I'm going to throw it out. I have still some left over from previous year, and I'll go with that. There's always next year. And if I run out, I can always go get some at the store. I know it's not the best, but hey, it's not worth getting myself sick or anybody else. So unfortunately, this year was a bust. I did have a lot of sap, and when I started boiling it down, I wanted to finish this off, but like I said, we had a family emergency. So that's the update. That's all I have right now. So please subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends, and we'll have some more videos coming up. Thanks. Bye.